Understanding transfer times.
Hello and welcome. Today we'll be tackling a very commonly asked question. How long does it typically take for a transfer to be completed? This question is often asked in the context of different kinds of transfers, such as bank transfers, digital data transfers, and more.
What determines transfer times?
The time it takes for a transfer to be completed can vary greatly depending on a few factors. These factors can include the type of transfer, is it a bank transfer, a file transfer, etc., the entities involved, which banks or devices, the geographical distance, especially in the case of bank transfers, the size of the transaction, for digital data transfers, and the speed of the network, for both digital data and financial transfers.
Bank transfers.
For bank transfers, the transfer time can range anywhere from a few minutes to several days. Domestic transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days. International transfers can take longer, often 3 to 5 business days. This is due to the additional checks and processes involved in moving money across borders.
Digital data transfers.
In the case of digital data transfers, the time it takes to transfer a file from one place to another depends largely on the size of the file and the speed of the network. For example, transferring a 1 GB file over a network with a speed of 100 megabits per second will take around 1.5 minutes. Slower networks or larger files will obviously increase this time. So to answer the question, how long does it typically take for a transfer to be completed? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It greatly depends on the specifics of the transfer in question. In the context of bank transfers, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, while for digital data transfers it could be almost instantaneous or take several minutes depending on the file size and network speed. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video has helped clear up some of the complexities surrounding transfer times.